In this video, I'll show you how to import a Solana wallet into Phantom. Start by opening the Phantom Wallet app or browser extension. Next, on the welcome screen, click Import Existing Wallet instead of creating a new wallet. After that, choose the option to import your wallet using a secret recovery phrase. Now carefully enter the recovery phrase for your existing Solana wallet. Make sure every word is spelled correctly and entered in the exact order it was originally provided. Next, click Continue after entering the complete recovery phrase. After that, create a strong password to protect your Phantom wallet on your current device. This password is only used to unlock the wallet on this device and does not replace your recovery phrase. Now complete the setup process and wait while Phantom imports your wallet. Next, allow the wallet a few moments to synchronize with the Solana blockchain and load your accounts and balances. After that, verify that your SOL balance and any supported Solana tokens appear correctly in your wallet. If you previously used multiple accounts, switch to the appropriate account if necessary. Finally, your imported Solana wallet is now ready to send, receive, stake SOL, and connect to Solana dApps using Phantom. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to import a Solana wallet into Phantom. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.